Okay, here we are with another Punchout backboard. This is another CHP1-01-BAK. The bottom screen looks good. Let's see what it looks like on the top screen. Ah, yeah, okay. Alright, so we've got, I think we looked at this before and we just never quite figured it out. This is the H signals. Let's see. Yeah, I think this is all in the RAM 3F. Let me look here real quick. I'll check. Let me short a couple of links together. 1 and 2. Let's see. Yeah, okay, so this is all in, this is the addressing or the data being pulled out of 3F. That's where this image is stored on the backboard. So let's see, we've been in this area quite a bit recently. We've got those S address lines, so SA0. So that means secondary monitor address 0 through address 10. And they come through 3 257s. So let me go look there. Pin on 1E. Move the camera down to the board. Alright. So 1E, 1F. And 1H. So the outputs on these are pins 4, 7, 9, and 12. So pin 4, 7, 9, and 12. Pin 4, 7, 9, and 12. 4, 7, 9, and 12. Well, they're all pulsing. So it would be the okay, let's look at some of the inputs. 3, 6, 10, and 13 are the horizontal timers, or horizontal clocks for the upper monitor. So yeah, so we'll look at 3, 6, 10, and 13. 3, 6, 10, 13, 3, 6, 10, and 13. 3, 6, 10, and 13. Um, 1H. Okay, they're not using pin 13. Yeah, this is all, look. Okay. All right, so pins 3 and 6 on, let's see, the H signals are on 6, 10, and 13 on 1E. 6, 10, 13. All right, and the other 2, 5, 11, and 14 are the vertical clocks. So 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 11, and 14. Okay, that all looks good, I think. Okay, on the next chip, we got 6, 10, and 3, 6, 10, and 13 again. 3 and 6. 3 and 6 are horizontal inputs. 3, 6. And the vertical inputs are 2, 10, and 13. 2, 10, 13. All right, and then 1H. We've got vertical clocks on 3, 6, and 10. 3, 6, and 10. So that all looks reasonable with the logic probe. The outputs are all alive, the inputs are all alive. They're obviously not right, but something's not right in that area. So let's look at the RAM next. The outputs start at pin 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. All right. And those are SD for top data. I don't have a 2115. What's equivalent to that, a 2115? All right. So that data goes through 4H, which is 377. 4H, let's see. Pin 2 on 4H is what? Not hooked up. Pin 5, yeah, that would be right. So 3 is nothing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Whoops, that's 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18. 18 is not connected, so 19 will be high. All right, so we got our int clocks on 1 and 11. It seems to be okay. Let's look at these buffers for a second. So it looks like, I don't know, I still suspect something to do with this RAM. I'm going to have to play with it and think about it for a bit. Okay, I'm back. I've done a little more testing here, and it looks like let's see, what is the chip? I was looking at pin 9 or pin 7 on 1F. And looking at the screen, this signal on the input of the RAM. So I shorted it to ground. I've tried putting it to 5 volts, and it makes no difference on the screen. So it looks like the input to the 2115 right here, pin 2. Doesn't matter if it's high or if it's low. So I think pin 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I take pin 6, I don't have a grabber right now. If I short it to ground, makes no difference. So I can take that input, short it to ground, or put it to +5, and my screen display does not change at all. So I believe this RAM is bad. It's got a problem on the output. And let me show you what I'm talking about here. Well, I told you what I'm seeing there, but let me show you on the screen. If I jumper it with another known good RAM, an 8416, and that's what these are, and I jumper this, look what happens. It starts fixing the faces over here. So I think if I replace this RAM, I think it's going to straighten out. So that's what I'm going to do next. All right, we've got this RAM fix, or RAM replaced. Let's see what we get. Oh boy, all right. So, interesting. So it could have very well been one of the 257s, or the 257 at 1E, pin 7. Didn't make a difference if I accidentally grounded it to pin 8 and I didn't see a change, and I said, wait a second, it's pulsing. So then I got out a little jumper and jumpered it to +5, not a difference. So if it was high or low, it just did not change the display. And it's wired directly to the 2115 RAM, which in this case, it says 2115, but they're really MB8416s. So it's same as a 6116. I guess they're an equivalent, and I didn't know. I just happened to have some because I bought some to work on a Mario Brothers board, and I never used them. So they were sitting here, and I just happened to have one and pulled it out. I said, wait, let's see if what I suspect is right. So there you have it. Another one in the books. Hey, if you like these videos, please subscribe. Give it a like or a thumbs up if you're happy with it. And if you'd like to see more. I appreciate you guys all taking some time and looking at my videos. And you have a great day. Thank you. Bye.